Hi there. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite use cases for NotebookLM, putting all of your home appliance manuals into one notebook. Oftentimes they get stuck in a file cabinet, in the junk drawer, wherever, and we can never find them when we need to, especially if there's an issue going on. So I went out and I downloaded a whole bunch of example user manuals for washers, dryers, ovens, vacuums, blenders, etc. Put them all into a notebook. Then I can come down here in the chat section and I can ask it a question like, my dishwasher won't drain. NotebookLM is going to go sort through all those documents and hopefully pull up some relevant content to help me figure out, here we go, how I can drain my dishwasher. So what I might want to take a look at might be some blockages, etc. What's great about it is we have all these citations that are going to help me reference the different pages within the document so that I can go in, dig in a little bit more if I need to. I can also ask it other questions, not just troubleshooting questions, like, what can I make in my blender? I just got this new blender, not sure what I can make in it. NotebookLM comes back and says I can make smoothies, frozen drinks, smoothie bowls, dips, purees, doughs, sauces. I can chop, I can mince, I can shred, lots of different things that you can do with the blender that you just got. So this is just a great example of what you can use NotebookLM for. You can also share this notebook with the new owner of your house if you ever sell your house, and then they have an instant guide to how to run everything that's going on in your house. Happy exploring.